Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust screen brightness on Apple Watch 11. To adjust the screen brightness, go to the apps by clicking on Digital Crown, then go to Settings, and now go to Display and Brightness in Settings. Now you can click on this sun icon to make the display darker, or click on this bigger sun icon to make the display brighter. Remember, it's not a static value, it's still on auto brightness, so it's not really the static brightness, it's auto brightness shift. So if you set it to higher, it'll just try keeping itself at higher values, and if you set it to lower, then it'll try keeping itself at lower values, but it'll still automatically adjust. So if there's no light around you, it's still gonna be darker than when there is light, a lot of light around you. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.